Salwete. This is just a really quick warm up and acclimation to these types of sentences. This is an Ed Puzzle video, so you're going to be asked some questions. You're about to see a link pop up somewhere on this screen that'll link you back to this sentence builder screen right here for your reference. This sentence builder is to help us get acclimated to seeing pluperfect verbs, this yellow column, in the wild, being able to translate them and understand how they work a little bit more. Also focusing on this keyword coepit for begins. That's usually paired with an infinitive, like began to do something, as well as like some cause and effect, complex sentences. So make sure you open this sentence builder up by following the link, and be ready to answer some questions as they pop up in the video. What you're going to do is I'm going to read a sentence out loud. Like this one, you will notice that there is some English here. The first question is going to ask you, what will this be in Latin? Depending on what will this be in Latin, using your sentence builder, as well as a little bit of what you know about how pluperfect verbs work from the presentation earlier. And then you're going to be asked to translate the sentence. So, quia Venus had been chosen, Dei iratissimae coepunt factae esse. So, first off, what is had been chosen? And then two, what does this sentence mean? All right. So, quia Venus, first off, had been chosen, is going to be electa erat. It's going to be electa because the sentence or the subject of this is Venus, who is feminine. So it'll be electa, not electus. And then the erat is because that's what shows she had been chosen. So electa erat, had been chosen. So this sentence altogether will mean since or because Venus had been chosen, the goddesses began to become very angry. Okay. All right. Next one. Dum res had been decided, Jupiter coepit gaudere. So first off, what had been decided in this sentence? Keep in mind, res is feminine. Then, what does this sentence mean? All right. Had been decided is going to be judicata erat. It's going to be judicata because res is a feminine noun. And judicata erat means had been decided. Dum means while. So, while the matter or thing had been decided, the judgment of the apple, Jupiter began to rejoice. All right. Cum Helena paridi had been given, Cupido sagittam amori sperare coepit. So first off, what is had been given going to be here? And what does this sentence mean? All right. So, cum Helena, I'm going to start with had been given. Had been given is going to be data erat. Once again, data, because it's talking about Helen as the one who had been given, and she's feminine as well. So all of these were feminine examples, probably not the best way for practice, but if we were saying that a man had been sold, we'd say datus. Altogether, the sentence is going to mean when Helen had been given to Paris, Cupid began to prepare his arrow of love. Okay. So that's just a real quick Ed puzzle on this. Hopefully you felt that was helpful. You'll see these types of structures a lot as we get further into Bellum Troianum. So, valete.